Hit you with a new video, Indianapolis edition. Okay guys, this gym is in Indianapolis. Here goes all the information so you can find where they're at, phone number, website, everything that you need will be in the description below. Look at all of these cute themed rooms. Oh my gosh, this was probably one of the best things I've ever done in my life. And here goes some little snips of each room right now. What up guys? This is the place that I was telling you about that we're gonna be making videos and doing photos. I got Joelle's with me. Here goes one of the sets, you guys. Look at it. Hello? What you mean, you two? You trying to give me a record deal? Hold on.
Too many lines.
Too many lines. Posting my pictures that I actually took throughout this whole experience on my Instagram. So please go and add me so you'll be able to see everything that we took today at this fabulous place. Oh my gosh. Look at this one, you guys. This is absolutely one of my favorite ones. Yep. Look at it. Yeah. All right, here goes another setting. Hello. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? No, they ain't looking for me. Drops mic, walk off. Ah! Alright, so pretty much while we were here, we ended up getting involved in this like event, and there's like so many people here, like got all these pretty people here, just, you know, like look at this. They give you ring lights and all. We first class, baby. That's all you gotta know. But we better go leave and get some food and stuff. This is so much fun. I'll post a video soon, and I'll be posting whatever else we end up doing today. So I'll see y'all later.